This necklace is from Bourbon, and ito naman is from Solace Jewelry. As you can see, almost the same lang talaga yung shape ng pendant nila, except iba yung color nito, kanyang bato. This one is like ruby or red, and ito naman is yung regular lang na stone. Actually, iba rin yung ano nila, yung chain, kasi ito may pa bilog-bilog siya dyan, and ito plain chain lang siya. This is my most favorite necklace at the moment. Bigay ito sa akin ni mama, and I really like this because ilang beses ko na siya nagamit sa beach, and ilang beses ko na siya binasa, hindi siya nag-fade at all. This one, hindi ko pa siya nababasa, pero since medyo same sila ng design, I wonder if hindi to nagta-tarnish. Kasi if hindi to nagta-tarnish, I guess if hindi mo masyadong afford yung Bourbon, kasi this one is around 500 to 600 pesos, but this one is way cheaper, parang half lang ng price nito, I guess go for this. But ayan siya guys, they look the same. Tignan nyo naman guys, diba? Same na same ng shape, mas malaki lang ng onti yung bato ng Bourbon, and then like, para talagang same, pati color, same na same. So, ayun, if naghanap kayo ng medyo budget na kamukha nitong address ng Bourbon, go for Solace kasi goods din siya guys, ang ganda rin.